Hey, what's up guys, Yusuf here from TechDroids and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. And in today's video we'll be taking a look at and unboxing the new Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus 2018. This seems to be a decent mid-ranger for the Samsung lovers. If you really want a Samsung phone, this is the one to go for. So in this video we'll be unboxing and I'll give you guys my mini review. So with that being said, let's get started. First things first is the phone itself, and peel that plastic off and take off that sticker to reveal the new blue color as well as the mixed bag design choices. You can see that the camera layout and the fingerprint sensor resembles the flagship phones, that is the S9 Plus and the S9, and towards the front you see that non-curved infinity display which resembles the budget phones, and there's, instead of glass, there's metal, so that's there to cut cost. But in terms of box contents, you have this basic headset which is nothing great, but again it's included and Samsung is one of the few companies that does that. Next up you have the power adapter. This is not a fast charger but it should get the job done. It's 5 watts and 2 amperes, so yeah, it will get the job done as I said. You have a USB cable, so USB Type A to micro USB, no USB Type C here, although the phone is new and in 2018. Then you have the most boring part, that is the paperwork. Now getting to the A6 Plus 2018 itself, it's a mixed bag as I said. There is some flagship grade things and then there is the budget segment to cut cost. But it's a good looking phone. Design and build quality was good, feel in the hand was good. Doing a quick one over of the device, you have micro USB and the headphone jack towards the bottom. You have the SIM card tray, you have the SD card slot for expandability, you have the volume rockers, you have the dual cameras and the fingerprint sensor with the Samsung branding. And towards the right you have the speaker phone and the power button. Towards the front you have the 24 megapixel front camera with the LED flash. Now talking about the specs and the internals of the Galaxy A6 Plus 2018, we have a Snapdragon 450 octa-core CPU, we have 4GB of RAM and Adreno 506 GPU. We have 64GB of storage with expansion and a 3500 mAh battery. Talking about the display, we have a 6-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity display with a 18.5:9 aspect ratio. Towards the back, we have a 16 plus 5 megapixel dual camera setup with the secondary camera for depth sensing. Also below that is the fingerprint scanner which works really well and it's quite fast. And also towards the front, you have that 24 megapixel front camera. And that's about it in terms of the specifications. Now let's talk about my conclusion, my opinions on this device. Should you even buy it or should you even consider it for its price point? It's not the best phone out there, it's pretty decent in terms of its price. But it is a Samsung mid-ranger after all, and people are still going to buy it no matter what the competition has to offer. So here are my top 5 reasons or top 5 features you might want to buy this phone for. First up is the big deal, that is the Infinity Super AMOLED display, which is really good in my opinion. It's Full HD Plus and it should help in media consumption, content consumption, playing games and doing anything that's related to the display. Next up is the design itself. There's the budget elements, then there's the flagship elements, but the phone still looks good, feels great in the hand and is built really well. Now talking about the other features, there is the face unlock which is really fast and works really well all the time. Then you have the dual cameras, 16 plus 5 megapixels, there's portrait mode, there's 1080p video, and the pictures itself out of this camera are really good. You can check out my Instagram for the photo samples and the picture samples from both the front and the rear camera, and you will be mind blown what this phone can click. Also adding to the media consumption experience, you have Dolby Atmos in this phone which will really help. And other than that, my conclusion on this phone would be, if you're really looking for a Samsung mid-ranger in the price segment of 25,000 to 32,000, there is better phone available from different brands. But yeah, if you want a Samsung phone, the Galaxy A6 Plus 2018 is not a bad choice. Thanks so much for watching this video guys. If it was helpful, if you like what I make, go ahead and like this video. Also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Hit that notification thingy so you don't miss out on future uploads. My unboxing and a video similar to this about the new Galaxy J6 2018 is coming soon. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.